Hey Nathan,
Hi.
so you want to tell me about our game that we made?
Yes, so it's called Ghost V3. The
Okay.
lore of it is you're playing as a ghost. You need to collect all the music notes.
Exactly.
You have to do it in 12 seconds, and if you don't, you game's over. And then you can see how much notes you got by
Exactly.
the score. It says good game. So the code, we have 2 actors. We got a ghost PNG and we got a note PNG.
And you made both of them, right?
Yes, I made them by hand in an art website.
Yeah, but basically we created a bunch of functions and variables to make sure everything here is working, yeah?
Yep. Then we created a timer,
Mm-hmm.
got the movement of the ghost working,
Exactly.
and in the console here it says you got a note every time you get a note.
Exactly, you're printing that out. Great.
Yeah. And then once time's up, it says good game and shows you the score.
Exactly. And then bonus, this is a bonus project that you worked on earlier within the week on your free time.
So it's called Test 1. It's just a mini quiz with a bunch of if statements and else
Exactly.
statements.
Because we were learning about if and else statements earlier within the week.
So if ready to play, yes. You subscribe to Nathan Gate, I am. It was the loudest. And also, yeah, it just has some trivia, mostly trivia questions.
Mhm.
So loudest animal on earth should be sperm whale, I think. I think I don't spell it correctly, but it's fine. So the L is called nestlings. Nestling. Oh, I didn't spell.
Yeah, how many questions do you have?
I have 7 questions.
That's a lot of
7
questions.
questions.
I remember
here.
some of them were some real thinkers because we all pitched in to think of some questions.
And then it should be Hong Kong. So.
But yeah, I think that's good enough. Any final thoughts? Final words, final thoughts?
It's fun.
Is my thank you. Okay, great. Okay, thanks, Nate.